Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. The dish I'm making today is sliders, which is very tasty to eat. Let's start making it. First of all, we have to take maida, then add yeast, salt, sugar, and mix them all. After that, we have to add milk and mix it well. Add a cup of milk and see if the milk is less, then add a little water and then mix it again. When it mixed, now knead it with the help of hands to form a dough. When it becomes a dough, then add butter and knead it well. This work is a bit sticky, but it has to be kneaded like this for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we will keep this dough on a smooth surface and knead it for 6 to 7 minutes. Where it is more sticky, sprinkle flour and knead your dough again. After kneading the dough, we have to do this kneading process for 2 to 3 minutes so that our dough is kneaded well. See, our soft dough has been kneaded. After apply oil, we will keep it to double in size. When it double in size, we will make its ball. We have to cut off it equivalent first. Then we have to make it equivalent ball. You can make smaller one out of it, but I made a little bigger. After making the balls, we have to rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we have to make balls again. We have to place it in the baking dish to be doubled. We will put it to double now. Our buns have doubled in size. Now we'll apply milk on them and bake them in preheated oven for 30 minutes at 170. Our buns are ready. Now apply oil on it and keep it to cool. To make the sauce, we need mayo, chili sauce, mustard paste, jalapeno, ketchup, our tasty burger sauce is ready. To make the chicken filling, we need ginger garlic paste, fry it for a while, chopped onion, cook the onion till it becomes soft. Then in it we will add chicken and fry it a little. And at the same time we will add tomatoes and cook until the tomatoes are fried. Then we add salt, crushed chili, tomatoes paste, oyster sauce, we have to cook the chicken until it is cooked. Now our chicken is ready. After cutting the buns, put the chicken and the cheese in the bottom of the buns and bake for 5 minutes so the cheese melts. Apply burger sauce at the top of the bun. Close the burger and apply oil on it to make it shiny. Our sliders is ready to eat. They are very cheesy and soft and very tasty. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.